In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to change factor rate for dynamic torque mode. So log in work sequence, select dynamic torque, select setup. Here you can see substitute value. You can use this option when the torque value from torque sensor does not match with the actual torque value on the bolt. So enter substitute setting. Here you can see the dongle is already connected, and the torque transducer we are going to use is 180 Newton meter. Right now the stateless is off, and we have five different groups, so you can save the factor rate settings for 5 different tools. So right now we are going to use group 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten a bolt using torque transducer, and then here it will display the torque value from the torque transducer. And then I'm going to measure the actual torque on the bolt and input the measured value here. Then software will calculate what will be the factor rate to change. So as you can see, the display torque value is 82.6 Newton meter, and then we are going to measure it and enter what is the measured torque value manually. So as you can see, the torque value is somewhere around 100 Newton meter. So I'm just going to enter here 100, and then I'm going to press calculate. So this will be the factor rate value right now. Then I'm going to press on, the status to turn on, and close. So here you can see the status is already turned on, and the setting we are going to use is group 1. Save. So here you can see replace. The replacement value, we are using group 1, so it will indicate here. Let's enter maybe 100. So now the torque sensor should display 100 Newton meter instead of around 80 Newton meter. So as you can see, the actual torque value has been changed from 82 Newton meter to 98 Newton meter. Let's check. So as you can see, the torque value is still around 100 Newton meter.